to create emoji cap Lyra.
Guys, guys.
Porket taguhubad kami, wala na kaming karapatang tumanggi. May nabasa nga ako, ito lang eh.
Oo.
Nung ako kung ano daw restriction ko. Ah, sa'yo yun sa podcast mo yun?
Oo, podcast.
Ito yun,
Oh,
ano daw
sige,
restriction
dyan tayo,
ko?
sige.
Ano daw yung restriction ko? Tapos sabi nung lalaki, sabi nung sa comment section, sana hindi ka nang
Nag-Viva
Max, ganito, ganyan. Doon na lang ako sa bracers, mga ganon. Kasi mga babae doon, yung mayaman, nagpapakita na talaga ng okay, ganito, ganon. Sabi ko, kung hindi ka ba naman bobo,
Oo.
ang Viva Max kasi, ikaw, ang karamihan kasi sa inyo, nanonood ka ng Viva Max as parang porn site na eh. Ganun yung tingin nila eh, di ba?
Oo. Pero
Pero
naman
kung-
sa atin sila masisisi, di ba?
Di ba? Pero kung ganito kasi yan, kami gumagawa kami ng pelikula, di porket taguhubad kami, wala na kaming karapatang tumanggi o magkaroon man ng desisyon sa buhay. Di porket taguhubad kami, wala na kaming karapatang tumanggi. May nabasa nga ako. Ito lang.
Oh.
Five pillars. Humility.
Dulduol na yung tubago mo, padala na to 100 namit.
The biggest thing, doctors call the biggest thing that's blocking you from finding your soulmate, financial freedom, and having the most health is that you have a limiting belief that you don't deserve it. Have a belief within yourself that I want to make more money, I want to find my soulmate, but for my entire life, I've never experienced it. Call this the sacrum vertebrae, which is literally the sacral chakra. This is your ability to receive pleasure. This is your ability to be creative. The solar plexus manifests in the lumbar vertebrae. 5 vertebrae within this area is all about change, is all about flow, how you're able to digest life. You don't know how to handle change. Your body is quite literally holding on to
Dating pulis na
Did you know how to position your hand on the piano for easy playing? Try the 5-1 3-finger position. Why? Because it allows you to move your fingers easily between any chords without having to shift your hand around much.
The universe won't reward you immediately. First, it lets you doubt yourself.
Okay, paano ko nga ba ito ginawa? This is Silvio Pilot. Ito ang nag-share ng knowledge about AI. Kahit anong video editing, kaya-kaya natin yung mga idol. Okay, so yan. Dali-dali tayo dito. Huwag niyo skip dahil sa dulo nito ay meron tayong tutorial na malupit. Thank you for watching. Let's go!
Ayun, siyempre in-screenshot natin yung video natin dyan, okay? Yung last video natin, screenshot natin dito. Okay, pag na-screenshot natin, yan, let's go. Okay, so punta tayo ni Pixelverse, no? So may free to kapag 60 credits free nito kapag new user ka pa lang yung register. Yan, so lagyan natin yung screenshot natin dito. And yung prompt na binigay ko sa taas or sa description or sa comment section, i-copy nyo na lang, i-paste nyo dito.
Ha? Oh.